problem, if r is equal to 1 meter, then f is equal to. So we have the relation r is equal to 2f. So by applying this, the r is nothing but radius of curvature. F is the focal length. He gave r. We have to find out f. So f is equal to r by 2. So r value is 1 by 2 meter. So this is nothing but 0.5 meters. Fifth problem. Next. If f is equal to 20 centimeters, then what about r? Radius of curvature is equal to. So same for r is equal to f. So we need r is equal to v into f value 20, that is equal to 40 centimeters. Next. If f is equal to x, then sum of focal length and radius of curvature is. So f plus 2r, r we have to find out. So that is f value is given, f is equal to x, then r we have to find out. So r is equal to 2f. So 2 into f value is x, 2x. So r is equal to 2x. So it is 1 and it is 2. From 1 and 2. F plus r is equal to, f value is x plus r value is 2x. So x plus 2x, that is equal to 3x. That's it. That is the question. The distance between pole and focus is 10 centimeter. Then the distance between pole and center of curvature is. So let's take the concave mirror. This is the pole. He gave the pole and focus. So it is the focus. So pole and focus, the distance is 10 centimeters. Then it is the center of curvature. Then the distance between pole and center of curvature, from pole to center of curvature. If P to F is 10, then F to C is also 10. Then what is the distance from P to C? So given that the distance between pole and focus is focal length. Distance between pole and focus. Focal length is 10 centimeters. So then radius of curvature. So radius of curvature is nothing but distance between P to C. P to C. Therefore, R is equal to 2F. So 2 into F value is 10. So R is equal to 20 centimeters. That is the distance between pole to center of curvature. The question is, the boy is standing in front of a plane mirror. So it is the plane mirror and a distance of 3 meters from it. So from here to here the distance is 3 meters. The boy, right? What is the distance between boy and the image? So from mirror to object, boy, the distance is 3 meters. Then mirror to image, distance is also 3 meters only. It is the boy and it is the image. The question is, What is the distance between boy and image? The distance between boy and image. So distance between boy and image is equal to distance between boy and mirror plus distance between mirror and image. So that is equal to 3 plus 3 is 6 meters. So 6 meters is the distance between boy and image. An object is placed 10 centimeters from the pole of a mirror, concave mirror. The image formed at infinity, then the radius of curvature is. So given u is equal to 10 centimeters, v is at infinity, we have to find out r. So to find out r, we have to find out focal length. So apply the formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So 1 by f is equal to u value is 10. So minus 1 by 10 plus minus 1 by infinity. Okay. So 1 by f is equal to minus 1 by 10. So infinity we can neglect that. So we can neglect v value. So f is equal to minus 10 centimeters. That is focal length. If focal length is equal to minus 10, then we have to find out r. Therefore, by r is equal to 2f, f is equal to by the formula r is equal to 2f, we can find out r. So 2 into f value is 10 minus 10, so that is equal to minus 20 centimeters. So minus indicates the opposite direction. So r value is equal to 20 centimeters. The image distance of a concave mirror of focal length. So given f is equal to 40 centimeters and object distance u is equal to 20 centimeters. Since it is a concave mirror, f and v values are negatives, so minus 40 centimeter, minus 20 centimeter. Because in a concave mirror, f and u and real image v are negative values. So apply the formula by 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. 1 by f value given, so minus 1 by 40 is equal to u value is given minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by v. We need 1 by v value. So keep this 1 by v here and send this minus 1 by 2 to left hand side. So that applies 1 by 20 minus 1 by 40 is equal to 1 by v. So that applies 1 by v is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 40. That implies 1 by v is equal to, take LCM. LCM is 40, 22, so 40, so 2 minus 1. 1 by v is equal to 1 by 40. That implies v is equal to 40 centimeters. The image distance is 40 centimeters. The magnification of a concave mirror, if the object and image distances are 4 centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively, is. So we have to find out that magnification m is equal to size of image by size of object. So for a concave mirror, P and U are negative, so my negative and negative gets cancelled. Size of image each. Okay. Camera times V by U. So it also has the formula of image distance by object distance. So image distance by object distance. So depending upon the given data, the object and image distance are given. So V by U, that means these values are given. Okay. So that is equal to image distance is 8 centimeters. The object distance is 4 centimeters. 4 ones, 4 twos. So magnification is equal to 2. That's it. So minus 8, minus 4. So minus minus gets cancelled. So that I didn't place minus sign. The given question is, an object is placed x distance from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeters and an image formed at a distance of 6 centimeters. Find x. So for a convex mirror, the mirror given is convex mirror. So given u is equal to x, we have to find out x. Focal length given is 15 centimeters. So f is equal to plus 15. So for convex mirror, the value of f is for positive and image formed at a distance of 6 centimeters. So for a convex mirror, image is also positive. So v is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay. So 1 by f is equal to formula 1 by u plus 1 by v. So 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by u. U value given is x. We don't know the value of x. Okay. We don't know the value of x plus 1 by v is nothing but 1 by 6. Okay. But for this convex mirror, since the object is placed in front of the mirror, so image object distance is minus x. So 1 by minus x. Right? We need this value. Minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 15 minus 1 by 6. Because of we need these values and it's on plus 1 by 6 to left hand side, that becomes minus 1 by 6. So that implies minus 1 by x is equal to, for LCM for 15 and 6, so LCM is 30. 15 so let's take this minus value from here, so we can see it later. And then LCM is 30, 15 2s 30 minus 6 5s are 30. That implies 1 by x is equal to minus 3 by 30. That implies 1 by x is equal to 3 times minus 1 by 10. So we need x is equal to 10 centimeters from the pole. Minus 10 centimeters. So the object distance from the convex mirror is 10 centimeters. Here minus indicates the distance from the pole. From here to here 10 centimeters. So minus indicates it is the lighter direction. We are measuring from the pole. So opposite to the lighter direction. So the minus is placed.